In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to double-space text in Google Docs. This feature is especially useful for improving readability or meeting specific formatting requirements for school papers, manuscripts, or any professional documents. Let's dive into it. First off, let's talk about selecting the text you want to double-space. If you're looking to adjust the spacing for just a portion of your document, simply click and drag over the specific text you wish to highlight. However, if you're aiming to double-space the entire document, there's a quick shortcut you can use. On a Windows PC, you can press Ctrl+A, or if you're using a Mac, press Command+A. This will select all the text in your document, saving you the time and effort of dragging through pages if you have a lengthy document. Once you have your text selected, you're going to want to look towards the toolbar at the top of your Google Docs interface. There, you'll notice an icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines with a small arrow pointing up and down next to them. This is the line and paragraph spacing icon. Click on this icon and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Here, you'll find several spacing options, but for our purposes, you'll want to select Double. As soon as you click it, your selected text or the entire document, depending on what you highlighted, will instantly change to double spacing. This method is quick and straightforward, taking just a couple of clicks. Alternatively, if you prefer using the menu commands rather than the toolbar icons, there's another method available. Navigate to the top of the Google Docs page and click on Format. When the menu drops down, hover your mouse over line and paragraph spacing. A submenu will appear, and from there, you can select Double. This does the exact same job as the toolbar icon, but offers you a different route to achieving the same result. It's always nice to have options, and knowing both methods can be helpful depending on your personal preference. And there you have it. Whether you're using the toolbar or the menus, double spacing in Google Docs is a simple task that enhances the overall appearance and readability of your document. Remember, these steps ensure your document adheres to any formatting requirements without the need for complicated adjustments. Now you can format your text with ease, making your document look clean and professional. Thanks for watching and happy writing in Google Docs.